Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a very, very important debate, okay? Because someone once asked me this question. Person said, between ICT or SMC trading style and price action, which one is actually better, okay? And I gave the person an answer that surprised the person, okay? And I'll be talking about the answer right here, okay? So the person said between SMC and between ICT or SMC, okay, and price action, which one is better? You know, you have the ICT system of trading, and then you have the price action system of trading. So the person is asking which one is better. And I told the person that be it SMC, be it ICT, all of them are still price action, okay? So price action is everything. You must have heard the saying that price action is king. Price action is everything. There is nothing bigger than price action. Price action is everything. Once you master price action, the reason why I'm telling you this is that this ICT or SMC system, where we talk about things like order block, fair value gap, mitigation block, and all of those things, you are still talking about price. So we need to go back to the definition of price action to really understand what price action really is, okay? Now, price action is simply the action of price when it is plotted against time, as simple as that. You know, this chart we are looking at right now is like a graph, okay? It's like a graph where you have you have price plotted against time. You would notice that on this horizontal axis, you have time there. This is 5th of December. So this is time, right? And up here, what you have is price. So long price is plotted against time like this. Anything you're looking at, be it candles, be it bars, be it Aikinashi, be it whatever, you're already dealing with what? Price action. So the only discrepancy now is that when it comes to price action, most traders, okay, they categorize price action as the old knowledge. Because if you learn price action from an old timer, the kind of stuff they will teach you are support and resistance, okay? They'll teach you support and resistance, okay? They'll teach you chart patterns, okay? They'll teach you chart patterns, stuff like double tops, double bottom, triple top, triple bottoms. What do you have there? You have flags, pennants, bullish flag, bearish flag. You have a whole lot of stuff they'll teach you, wedge, channels. These are like the old knowledge, the foundational knowledge of price action. So now when they are comparing price action with, let's say, new trading systems like the ICT trading systems and stuff like that, they are simply comparing the old knowledge of price action or the foundational knowledge of price action with the new knowledge of price action. Just that they don't call it new knowledge of price action, they give it their own name as a SMC, smart money concept, or ICT, inner circle trader trading system. You understand? So they give it a different name, but it is still price action. It's like discoveries, you know, based on experience of some particular traders that are now standing as mentors, and they are bringing this stuff as their own system. You understand? But it is still price action. So for me, having an understanding of, you know, what this is all about, I already know that the SMC trading system, whether you are using a demand and supply, you're trying to draw a demand zone or a supply zone, or you're trying to mark out a fair value gap, it is just a new system of trading price action. It's still price action. So long you're still dealing with your chart, you're dealing with price action. So I can say it's a new system of trading price action. So if I'm going to give my take on, now that I've separated it and it's now clear that we have the old price action system and the new price action system, what I can just say about the difference between the old and the new is that the old trading system, the old, or should I say foundational price action trading system, they are very subjective. That's their downside, okay? They are very subjective, all right? Two traders can analyze using the old system and, you know, they would come to two different conclusions, okay? So it's a very subjective system. Subjective in the sense that, let's say you're trying to trade a flag, okay? You're trying to trade a flag. Someone else might feel the flag has not completely formed, while someone else might feel the flag has completely formed, thereby, you know, bringing about discrepancies on based on how they are going to attack and approach the market. I hope you understand that point. So there's a little bit of subjectiveness when it comes to the old price action trading system. Now for the new ones, the subjectiveness reduces a bit, which makes it look as if it's more effective. All right. If I ask you to go on the 1 hour time frame for a particular asset, let's say gold, and I also open the 1 hour time frame for gold, it doesn't matter the country you are in, so long we are looking at the same charts, the same 1 hour time frame, and we are looking at the same assets. If I can tell you that you need to mark out your very first fair value gap that you see, you would notice that when you mark that fair value gap out, I'll also do the same on my own end. So long I know that the fair value gap is a space between the wick of the first candle and the wick of the third candle, we are both going to mark out the same fair value gap. So that reduces the subjectiveness of the trading system, thereby making it look as though it's more effective. All right. So that's just the major difference. So what did I do personally as a trader? I'll tell you what I did. I am using a combination of the two. So my current trading system is a combination of the old price action system and the new SMC trading system. That's what I use to trade right now. Okay, you would see me saying things like POI, this is my point of interest. That shows you that I also use the new trading system, the SMC trading system. Okay, I also do that. Like for example, in this particular trade, this is my point of interest from which I took this buy. Okay, I place my stop loss below that point of interest and I'm looking to take my profit right here. Okay, but there are some things I do before arriving at my point of interest, and those things are rooted in the old price action system. Okay, so I use a combination of both of them. All right, so basically you can see the way it's going right now. I'm in a particular trade and it's moving in my direction. So if you know that you want to master the old system, the advice I'm going to give you is master it, but also try to incorporate the new system to it. Okay, so try to use a combination of the two, just like I am doing. Okay, but if you say you want to just focus on the new trading system, it's also good. Okay, but for me, I use a combination of both. All right, so I understand the old one and I understand the new one, and I found out that there are some good things about the old one. Okay, so you don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. So there are some good things about the old one which I picked out, and then I incorporated it with the new one, which I am currently using to trade, and most times it goes in my favor. Okay, so basically that's just what I'm going to say about this debate between which one is better between the price action and ICT or SMC trading system. All right, so if you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.